Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove saved chats in Character AI. So log in to your Character AI and go to your home page. Here you can choose your chats. I will choose Gachi. And here above on three dots, you can view saved chats. Here you can see all the saved chats I have. I will go to this first one and go again on the three dots above and remove messages. Choose all the messages you want to remove and press the remove button. Now you have removed the messages from the chats, but you need to delete all the chats from the home page. And here you can either continue chatting or press the edit button and delete the chat. And now it's erased. You can go to your home page and you cannot see the chat anymore. So feel free to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.